Hello, welcome to day one of a 40-day no food fast. Now that sounds radical, I know, and it's like, oh, I'm trying to do this for clickbait. But the reality is this isn't my first rodeo. I've actually done this will be my 8th time. Every couple of years I do it as part of my faith and what I believe, and it's kind of a spiritual journey I do it on. But I thought, well, since I am a naturopathic health practitioner and I have a client base, that why not talk about it? But primarily what I'm going to talk about going forward are different types of fasts. Intermittent fasting, like 16-8 fasting, which is 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours of eating, and so on and so forth. So over the coming posts, there's going to be some content about each one of those, while I'm at the same time going through a 40-day fast. I probably won't talk about it at length. If you want to know something about it or you have questions, feel free. I've done multiple variations. I can talk quite a bit about it. But I don't talk a whole lot about it or tell really anybody that I'm doing these things. But in this case, this will be a series about fasting while I'm going through this fast myself. And so look forward to that content coming up. The health benefits are absolutely astounding. It's not for everybody, but what we find is that those that have a fasting lifestyle, even if you just do it for your health, it can have great and tremendous impacts. Thank you.